Good morning, Lisa. I was doing this homemade granola, or I actually just took it out of the oven, and I didn't know if you thought this would be something that your viewers would enjoy. This is another one of those quick, easy fixes that you can do yourself, and you certainly can control the sugar and the amount of sodium, and some companies even put natural flavorings in these granolas. So this is like I said, a really easy one that you can do, and you can control the ingredients that go in it. And it's one that Matt and I enjoy, and put on top of our yogurt with berries in the morning. So all it is 2 cups of rolled oats, like your old-fashioned oats, a half a cup of nuts, and I chose pecans for ours, 1/4 a cup of seeds, and I chose sunflower seeds, a half a cup of unsweetened dried fruit, and I chose cranberries, 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey, or the combination of both. And I like to use both, and I actually do use 4 tablespoons because I think with that much rolled oats, it really needs that extra tablespoon. That's my opinion though. And 2 tablespoons of healthy cooking oil, and I used olive oil, but you certainly can use coconut oil or any kind of oil that you like to use. A half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I happen to have some homemade vanilla extract, so I used a teaspoon because I really like that flavor. 1 large pinch of fine sea salt. And you take all of that and mix it together in a bowl, and then you line a large pan with some parchment paper. Then you pour that on top, and then just sort of evenly, move it out so it can cook evenly. Put it in a 300-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, my particular oven, it did take 15 minutes, but certainly check it in 10 because, if you burn the nuts or the oats, you'll have to toss it because it will not be good. So start checking it in 10 for your oven. And then, you can top it with your favorite yogurt or your favorite ice cream, or sometimes Matt and I just, take a handful and eat it for a snack. So we really enjoy this, but like I said, it's a quick, easy granola recipe that I hope you guys enjoy. And I thought I'd show you. See, here's the granola on top of some yogurt with some blueberries. And then literally, all you do is just take this and, put it in a airtight jar like this and seal it up, and it'll keep for 2 weeks. So hope you enjoy it. Thanks.